Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send Bitcoin from Binance. We'll walk through the entire process, from initiating a withdrawal to confirming its completion. This guide will help you confidently transfer your Bitcoin to an external wallet or another exchange. We'll cover essential steps like selecting the correct network, entering the recipient's address, and understanding the associated fees. By the end, you'll feel much more comfortable managing your Bitcoin transfers securely and efficiently. To begin, log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet. From there, select Fiat and Spot and then click on the Withdraw option. You'll then choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you wish to send. It's crucial to accurately enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Double-check every character, as an incorrect address can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Also, select the appropriate network. For standard Bitcoin transfers, this is usually the Bitcoin network itself, but other options like BEP20 exist for specific use cases. Next, you'll need to specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Binance will display the network fee and the net amount your recipient will receive. Always review these details carefully before proceeding. After entering the amount, you'll be prompted to complete security verification. This typically involves entering a code sent to your email and a two-factor authentication code. These steps are vital for protecting your assets. Once verified, confirm your withdrawal request to send your Bitcoin on its way. After confirming, you can track the status of your Bitcoin transfer in your Binance withdrawal history. Bitcoin transactions typically take anywhere from 10 minutes to several hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your Bitcoin will appear in your destination wallet. Always ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled on both your Binance account and your receiving wallet for maximum security. This extra layer of protection is crucial for safeguarding your digital assets against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.